Making money with affiliate marketing? Make more with these tips. Affiliate marketing, not to be confused with internet marketing although they overlap, is a marketing practice involving rewarding affiliates for each visitor/customer that is brought in through via the affiliate's own marketing efforts. This is a form of online marketing in which the consumer is on one type of site and then clicks on a banner ad that brings them to the prime retailer's site. Facebook is the most current and profitable site to engage in affiliate marketing. Always remember the importance of education. Know the basics of HTML, data feed manipulation, and product design. Bookstores and the internet can serve as wonderful resources for this. Having a good handle on basic affiliate marketing techniques will improve your site, as well as your income potential. Remember that affiliate marketing should not be looked at as a get-rich-quick plan. Be patient and know that affiliate monies grow with time and effort. Keep your referral links active. There are different affiliate programs, and if one doesn't work for you, look for another one. Affiliate marketing is a great opportunity to gain passive income if you use it well. Before you sign up with an affiliate service, you should make sure that the company you're choosing offers real-time statistics. You will want to check your progress to see if there are any changes you need to make to your campaign. This is very difficult to do if the site you're dealing with does not update in real time. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. Integrating affiliate marketing offers into a website's content will make affiliate agreements more productive. A simple banner ad is never as effective as an in-depth video that points out the strengths of an affiliate's product. Merging affiliate offers with website content draws the website's readers deeper into the sales pitch and will be more persuasive than separated advertisements. Affiliate marketing is bringing the marketplace to a whole new level on the internet. Consumers based in Nebraska are being directed to merchants located all over the world in targeted marketing directives. Affiliate marketing is a cost-effective form of online marketing that has gained growing acceptance since its conception in 1994. Large online merchants such as Amazon.com and CD Now have produced great results engaging in this practice. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.